That's from Aunt Kim and Uncle Mike?
Yeah.
And Brooke?
Pull hard. Extra hard. Ah!
Pull it off the edge, Roland.
Yep, now
Where
slide
your
it off
hand
the
is.
end.
Slide it off the end. The
Other
other
way.
way. Come this way. Here, it was closer and easier here. Oops, bring it this way. Yeah, there you go.
Wow. What is it?
Mommy, are those tattoos?
They're stickers.
Oh,
Oh, what else?
I see Thomas.
Oh yeah, and there's Spider-Man too.
Oh,
Mhm.
And
right.
Mom, what are those?
It's to play in the bathtub.
Oh wow, more
It's
bathtub
a
toys.
secret bath lab.
Oh.
Test tubes with fizzy beads, goggles, bubble bath,
which one?
measuring cup.
Hey,
What's
look.
the other?
Do you have-
What else
what's
is
that?
there?
There's something else under there.
What?
What's that?
Here, right here.
Yeah. What is
Oh,
it?
it's a game pad.
It's called where you have to color.
Thomas?
All
Cool,
right.
man.
Mommy, is there more presents?
There's one other. Look, there's one right under here that's not open yet.
I think it's a. Is this a little transformer?
Cool.
What is this?
So, let's see. Oh, that's a really cool transformer. What's his name? I can't see the thing.
Can I see?
Mom, what present is mine?
Roll bar. Roll
Wow.
bar.